Hello, it's Italia from My Candy Makeup Store, and we're gonna have our makeup moment. Welcome to Makeup Moments, and happy to mind my music in the background. A little music to get me just a little relaxed, and I'm just gonna show you a little everyday fresh face kind of look that I do. But today I'm going to be working with Black Opal Cosmetics. So they recently revamped their formula, so this is what I'm going to be working with today, Black Opal. Okay? I know we have some people out there who love their fancy makeup lines, but that's okay. I like them too. I like me some Kat Von D. I'll put a little milk of magnesia on my face. I don't do this every day, guys. And actually, I had a new product to try today. I think I wanted to put that on first, but anyways, I'm gonna put it on now. We'll see how it works. I'll try it both ways and however it works. You know, so this is actually NYX's first base. I'm going to be using this today. So it's a primer, spray primer versus the cream. Feels good, smells good. So it's a hydrating mist, and it leaves the face, I don't know, it's hard for me to tell with the milk of magnesia already on. But I'm gonna go right in there. Not gonna be doing anything like super fancy. I'm gonna be using the beautiful bronze from Black Opal. And I normally do my brows first, don't I? Yeah. Guys got me nervous. You guys got me nervous this morning. I don't know. And so I think I want to do my brows first. I'm gonna fill them in first because that's what I normally do. And I think makeup moments, it's all about, you know, being at that place. I think for us as women, it allows us during our makeup moments to kind of stop, think. We actually get to look at ourselves. I mean, like, physically look at ourselves. And it's at these times we have to remember to empower ourselves, to remind ourselves of how beautiful we are, and that we are made in God's likeness and His image. We're all beautiful. You don't have to look like any particular person or any particular way. You know, we're all beautiful, no matter what color you are, no matter how your eyes are, your lips are. For the longest time as a teen, I struggled with that because I was skinny. I'm like, God, I'm so black. I would always make the comment, you know, I'm not a model type. I'm not gonna be the one that they pick to put on top of the magazine. That has since changed. Because your magazine isn't a magazine until this face is on the cover. And so over the years, I've grown to love who I am and the way God has made me. And I think a part of that comes from getting to know myself and who I am. And appreciate. That helps. That has helped me to appreciate who I am, to love me more. That God took the time to make me and gave me so much, so many gifts. I'm a painter, artist. You know, I'm a speaker. I'm not afraid to talk. And my dad, he discovered that when I was a very early teen. My teen years, my dad wrote my first speech. And guess what? I won. Yeah, so yeah, so it's filling in your eyebrows, light strokes with your pencil. You don't, don't overthink it. Not too much pressure. Get your brow comb to comb the product in, to comb that in there. Okay. So I'm going to be using the Flawless Concealer from Black Opal. It looks like a lipstick. Interesting. This is tan. So I'm just going to put it right there. And I went with tan because I wanted to kind of pop out, because I'm not putting on any eyeshadows. So, I want this look to be, get a little bit of my foundation. This is the Beautiful Bronze. I like to mix my foundation in with my concealer. Use my foundation over the top. It's a nice quiet moment for you, for us women, and we have to take the time to do our makeup. So I think this is a very important aspect of the day. A lot of women rush to this and they don't have the time for it. Number one. You're like, Talia, you talking foolishness. You work for yourself. I gotta be on the job. But it's more than just, throwing on some makeup, but it could be a time for you to just to kind of regroup. Refocus before your day starts. Alright, so you see that little space in there? So I'm going to use my pencil and fill it in. So it's balanced with my other brow. And see, these are kind of the things that you want to look for when you're doing your makeup. Making sure it's balanced. You have to be critical. If you see something that doesn't look right, make the correction. That's what you do. Alright. So I'm just going to clean up this arch right here. And this is my look, my brow. And I find that I do my brows different almost every day. It's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. And a little dip right in there. Okay. Much better. Make sure those brows are on point. And once we're satisfied that they are, then we can go in with our foundation. Applying makeup is like gonna be so relaxing. Like it is. When you take your time, it shouldn't be a frustration. It shouldn't. It really, really shouldn't. I'm gonna make sure I get into the hairline. So as I do this, just want to let you know that I want to talk about the importance of training and investing in yourself. And 2018 is all about that. It's all about investing in your gifts, honing your skills, getting better at your gifts that God has given. He's given us all some raw talents, and it's really up to us to kind of hone those skills, you know. I want to tell you not to rely solely on like YouTube, all these little videos, these little snippets of makeup applications that we see on Instagram. But I really want you to invest in yourself. The most successful people, they invested in themselves. Right. Yes, we know the stories of the Bill Gates and them who dropped out of college. You know, there are those success stories, yes. But you're not Bill Gates, number one. We're trying to get there. We're trying to do our thing. And we have to invest. He's made investments now. Let me tell you. He's made the investments. They may not have been in school, direct schooling for him, but he had to make some major sacrifices. Major sacrifices is the point. What's that major sacrifice that you're going to make this year to get yourself, to make yourself a better person? Huh? What you gonna do? I know for some of you it's been makeup. It's been trying to perfect your makeup application. And so I'm offering that. I'm offering a lot of classes this year. Alright? So there's no excuse. No excuses in 2018. None. If you want to get in this for yourself, become a business person, I'm offering that. I'm offering those classes. If you want to perfect your eyebrows, fill them in, highlight them, we're offering sessions for that. Makeup application. Just upon yourself to perfect your look. We're also offering sessions for that. Alright, so we got rid of all the spots. Bethany is calling us my niece. Her moles, her beauty moles. No, her freckles. I'm like, you better sit down with freckles. You look like a freckle. Yeah, so people on makeup is like, done. Did you see that? It's like done. So this is my final look using the black Opal foundation, concealer, pressed powder, and the finishing powder. So I did add some lashes, add my glow, add my contour, and nice lippy from NYX called Sable. And I'm loving the look. Nice fresh look for today. Everyday look. So this is our product feature for today, guys. Black Opal foundation powder. If you haven't been tested yet with Black Opal, give it a try, see if you like it. I know that there's been a lot of negative stigma around the Black Opal. In particular, one concern is it's too oily, and for that reason many women choose not to use it. They've revamped their formula, ladies. It's amazing. The price is amazing. You're gonna love it. It comes in a pump, it comes on the stick, it comes in a cake. They have the pressed powder, loose powder, they have a primer. They have a lot going on with this Black Opal brand, and I look fabulous, and you can too. All right, so come over to Eye Candy Makeup Store. We're in Harbor Bay, and get tested. Testing is free. You want to see how the foundation and the powder looks and how it wears on your face? Come in, let the ladies put it on your face, wear it, and matter of fact, you may fall in love at first sight like I did. All right, so give it a try, guys. So have a wonderful one.